It's another day in paradise. Welcome, YouTubers. Today's segment is going to be another 5 stocks, another 5 new stocks added to my 7,000 Robinhood app portfolio. Stocks, index funds, precious metals ETFs, buybacks ETFs, bonds ETFs, and REITs. So let's get into it. Robinhood got that double security. Before I jump into my segment, show you guys on Friday how red it was. Pretty much. I was majority 95% of my stocks are in the red. I'm gonna show you guys, and I got that 6%. So my ratio is working. That's my total right there. Before I get into my stocks, cryptocurrencies, there's just testing, and if I make money off of, I've only invested $10. So you see BTC, that's Bitcoin. If it falls at 3,800, because I should have dropped my $10 into that. But what I'm experimenting with is other ways to grow your money. So what I'm doing is taking $10, putting it into the BTC because I've been watching it now for a couple weeks, and now I feel comfortable buying. It's a fraction of a Bitcoin, and what I want to see is when I put the $10 in at 3,800 around that range. If I could double the $10, I'll take the $10 out, and then I'll buy stock with that, and then I'll see if this really works. Then I'll invest more. I'll go $20 Bitcoin, $30. If it's working, if I can double $30 and make it 60, I can do 40, make it 80, 50, make 100. I mean, that's just another way to grow, and a lot of people are not looking at it at that aspect. They're looking at it so negative. But I mean, you have to respect, first of all, the blockchain technology that it created. But it's right now it's whoever owns that owns the world. So that's gonna be a forever battle right there in itself, and whoever does wind up with the blockchain technology for the whole world has to accept it, and that's the challenge too. So I'm thinking it's already here. My theory is IMF, SDRs, special drawing rights. So that's the one world currency that's already it's ready for play. The currency just as much weight as the SDR is the British pound. So hint, that's another thing I would like to start investing in British pounds, because you can't invest in SDRs. Only the institutions can invest in those type of instruments. So I looked and I saw the dollar. It was pretty much equivalent to pretty much the SDR and the British pound as far as carries weight, are the top two. Well, SDR is top one. The pound is 2. British pound is 2, and then 3 is the euro. So let's get into it. The 5. Okay. Before I jump into the 5, look at all this red. I'm just gonna go down and look at all this red. I hold. I have 93 assets under management. So my celebration, once I hit 100, I'm treating myself to Korean barbecue. I think I might get a little bit of soju and do a video. So that's gonna be my celebration, because I'm gonna have fun with this. I don't see people. I mean, it's cool looking at the numbers. It's like it's like you're feeding your little monster. You're building your monster. So I mean, I'm having fun with it. It's like kind of me. I'm mixing. I've always been an arts person, but with the boring stuff, the logic, you mix those two up. That's what I'm on to. Okay, let me show you guys the 5 new stocks I added to my portfolio. The first one is PNC Financial. Look at the 5-year. The peak for PNC Financial is on, where you at? March 9th, 2018 at $162.45. I caught it at 121. So as you can see, I picked it up 40. So that's good. I picked it under $40 of the actual price of it. That's how I gauge. I always go to the peak, and that's how I like measure gold too. I'll show you how. Because now I'm starting to invest in physical gold. That's another episode. So PNC Financial, I got it at 121. Dividend yield 2.91. PE ratio 11.12. Market cap 54.47 billion. Buy 39% buy, 61% hold, 0% sell. Okay, yeah, the history right there. About PNC Financial. PNC Financial Services Group Incorporated engages in the provision of diversified financial services. The company's financial services include retail and business banking, residential mortgage banking, specialized services for corporations and government entities, including corporate banking, real estate finance and asset-backed lending, wealth management, and asset management. It operates through the following segments: retail banking, corporate and institutional banking, asset management group, and BlackRock. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. That's why I got this one, because I'm a big believer in BlackRock. And BlackRock right now is like at $450 a share, and I'm waiting for it to drizzop to like 360. The retail banking segment provides deposit lending, brokerage, trust, investment management, and cash management services to consumer and small business customers within its primary geographic markets. The corporate and institutional segment provides lending, treasury management, and capital markets related products and services to mid-sized corporations, government, and not-for-profit. The current CEO is William Stanton Demchak. Headquarters, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Founded in 1983. Employees 53,063. So PNC Financial is the first new stock added to my portfolio. The second new stock added to my portfolio is Citigroup. Go 5 year. Okay, the peak pretty much on January 26, 2018, it was at $80. So now pretty much I got this for got it $20 less, so discounted 20. So I always price everything at what its price on this company at its peak. So at its peak was 80. So that's how I gauge and how I buy my companies. And plus it's got a nasty dividend, and it's been around since you got to check the stats. Dividend yield 2.96. So I got another company with a dividend yield, always a plus. A PE ratio 9.13, low. Market cap 144.43 billion. Rocking. 79.3% buy, 17.2% hold, 3.4% sell. As you can see, I bought on March 21st, 2019 for $64. About Citigroup. Citigroup Incorporated is a holding company which engages in the provision of financial products and services. It operates through the following segments: global consumer banking, institutional clients group, and corporate and other. The global consumer banking segment provides traditional banking services to retail customers through retail banking, including commercial banking and Citi-branded cards and Citi retail services. The institutional clients group segment provides corporate, institutional, public sector, and high net worth clients around the world with a full range of wholesale banking products and services. The segment includes fixed income and equity sales and trading, foreign exchange, prime brokerage, derivative services, equity and fixed income research, corporate lending, investment banking, and advisory services, private banking, cash management, trade finance, and security services. The current CEO is Michael Lewis Corbat. Headquarters, New York City, New York. Founded, check that out, 1812. I got a company that's been around since 1812. You gotta find the joy in this. There's so much joy in investing in the stock market. And so once I found that, then I started doing global stock investing. Now I buy companies in other countries with, oh man, employees, 204,000 employees. So that's Citigroup. That's my second new stock added to my portfolio. The third new stock added to my portfolio is Banco de Brazil. This is what I was talking about. Global stock investing right here. Okay, the peak for, I bought it at the peak. So I'm going to find it. Yeah, it peaked on February 15, 2019 at $14.48. I pretty much bought about 12. So this is what they call in the investing world. I bought it on the peak or on the rise. Sometimes when you buy like that, like there's just certain styles of, like what I've seen from buying companies, like, because I try to, you want to go low, but if it just feels right, and it's not gonna, pretty much, I caught it like $1 under. So, but I just see the potential in it when you see these statistics. Dividend yield 2.83, another dividend yield, beautiful. PE ratio 9.85, market cap 34.15 billion, 64% buy, 36% hold. I bought one share at $12.62 on March 22nd, 2019. About Banco de Brazil. Banco de Brazil SA provides banking and financial services. It provides solutions, services, and products in the banking, investment, assessment, management, insurance, social security, premium bonds, and payment system. The company operates through the following business segments: banking, investment, fund management, insurance, payment methods, and others. The banking segment includes business with the retail, wholesale, and government markets carried out by networking customer service teams, and business with micro entrepreneurs and informal sector performed through banking correspondence. The investment segment engages in the deals which are performed in the domestic capital market, with activity in the intermediation and distribution of debts in the primary and secondary markets, as well as equity interest and the rendering of financial services. The fund management segment is responsible for. The current CEO is Ruben de Freitas Novias. Headquarters, Brasilia, Distrito Federal in Brazil. Founded, check that out, 1808. Another company from 1808. So when I buy companies now, I just, they're solid and they're global. Employees, 100,066 employees. So you see that, and then they got minimum 100,000, and they've been around since 18. So that's the Banco de Brazil. Okay, the next company added to my portfolio. That 1, 2, 3. Okay, the fourth one is Agenus, and these two I bought. Well, these three I bought with my dividends. So, the peak for Agenus is on June 12th, 2015, at I thought I saw the 12 at $9.48. Okay, there's usually a button right here to the right where it shows like the people, but like how many people own this stock. But I think only on your laptop that you're able to use that function. Dividend yield. Oh, these two, no dividend yields. Dividend yield 0. PE ratio not listed. Market cap 338.39 million. These are speculative. My I bought one share for $2.93 on March 22nd, 2019. So I bought this with my dividends. About Agenus. Agenus Incorporated is a clinical stage immuno-oncology company which engages in the development and commercialization of technologies to treat cancers and infectious diseases. Its products pipelines include Agent 1884, Agent 2034, in CAG in 1876, in CAG in 1949, Pro Page, Auto Synvax, Visfo Synvax, and AS21 Stimulon. The company was founded by Geron H. Armin and Parmod K. Karvastava in March 1994 and is headquartered in Lexington, Massachusetts. So the current CEO is Garo H. Armin. Headquarters Lexington, Massachusetts. Founded in 1994. Employees 294. So this is one of my speculative stocks. So I got that one, and then last but not least, I also did the same what I did. I bought this with my dividends. The peak for Geron was on September 7th, 2018 at $6.08. I bought one share at $1.74. Dividend yield 0. PE ratio not listed. Market cap $315 million. And this is a spec stock. One share at $1.79 on March 22nd, 2019. About Geron. Geron Corp operates as a biotechnology company. It develops a telomerase inhibitor, imetelstat, in hematologic myeloid malignancies. The company was founded by Michael D. West on November 28, 1990, and is headquartered in Menlo Park, California. The FINRA listed name for GERN is Geron Corporation, common stock. The current CEO is John A. Scarlett. Headquarters Menlo Park, California. Founded in 1990. Employees 17. So that's another spec stock. So those are the 5 new companies, additional ones added. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.